kind of how we lived for the past couple of days. Started eating and drinking when we stopped, wherever we stopped. Sleeping in the sand and wherever we want, pretty much. Shoot. I knew that was going to happen. Well, at least it was just food. Oh, darn. Oh, it's good. Let us stop.